Some more work to do today. I'm gonna look in the animation progress because I don't like it having its own update. I'm gonna take care of this part. The other part I'll take a look at later. I'm gonna use another subcomponent. I'll go to Sophie, the processor. Wait, I need to do this in the original prefab. Subcomponent processor. Create empty game object. I'll call it player attack. I'll place it here. And inside the subcomponent folder, I'm going to create a new script, player attack. This is going to be a subcomponent that has on fixed update as well as on update. I'm going to add the script to the game object, player attack, and right in the beginning I'm going to go to subcomponent processor, the dictionary, add the subcomponent, create the enum player attack. So we add the key, which is the enum player attack, and then the subcomponent. Then I'll go into character control, because I want to go to the update here, and we update the subcomponent player attack. So what's inside the update of animation progress? This part, I'm going to cut it, Control X. Then I'm going to go to player attack and put it here on update. Just got to fix the errors. Get to animation progress and then the variables. If I go back and play, okay, attack should be working the same. Okay. I want to move a few more things from the animation progress. These things, attack buttons, or variables that are related to the attack buttons. I'm going to create a class for those variables. I'm going to go to the data folder, create attack data. This will be a simple script. Not a mono behavior. It'll be serializable, so I can see it in the editor. And then these things, Control X to cut them, go to the attack data, paste it in, and then inside the subcomponent, we're going to have an instance of the attack data. Attack data. In the beginning, we instantiate it. And then by default, the variables will be false. Also inside the subcomponent processor, we're going to have a reference of the attack data. Subcomponent processor. Here it is. Attack data. So back in the subcomponent, attack data equals the attack data we just created. Now I should fix the errors. So we go to attack data, and then the variables. Okay, we should have more. I'm going to go to character state, create a little shortcut for the attack data. Okay, so we just use that, attack data, get to the variable, okay, I'll keep going. Again. Okay. I'm also going to go into the character control, create the reference again, attack data, okay, that should be everything. I'm going to play, and we should be able to see the data here. So whenever I attack, we see the button getting reset. This variable gets changed on a single frame, so we're not able to see it here, but don't really have to worry about it. Okay. One last thing to change. I have something called attack info. Now you might be wondering what's the difference between the attack info and data. It's just that the attack info is a very bad name. These are more like options or conditions for each of the attack. So I'll rename it attack condition. Okay, I want to make sure that the file name is also changed. So here's the attack info folder. Okay, here's a script. I'm also going to change the game object name, attack condition. Looks like we lost the script. So get rid of the old script and add attack condition. Let me also change the folder name, attack condition. Okay. Let me also press Ctrl T, see if we have more, attack info. Okay, change the name here so we can find the file, attack condition. Rename the enum attack condition. Okay, this is just changing a bunch of names. The game should still be the same. Let's test it. Okay. I think everything is fine. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.